Namaste everyone, welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and you're watching 10 days systematic practice of Pranayama. This video is just a different way of practicing it. So yesterday you watched me practicing it in the sitting position, and today I will show you the same practice in the lying down. Because for some students I found that they couldn't breathe while sitting, and it was kind of hard for them to find where the breathing was. And therefore, if you lie down, then it's going to be more easier. So let's begin. So go ahead, find yourself a nice comfortable position, lying down. If you have a pillow or block under the head, it's good idea. It makes you more relaxed, comfortable. And for a few moments, you can become aware of the breathing. Make sure don't sleep. Stay focused and aware. Becoming aware how the breathing coming in and out. Make sure if the breathing is happening in your abdomen. If not, bring the abdomen breathing. If not, simply become aware of the breath for a moment. Once you have centered yourself, bring your right hand onto your abdomen and begin to breathe into your abdomen. Bring that breathing into your abdomen, so abdomen comes up when you breathe in. When you breathe out, stomach falls, comes down. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Again, make sure if you're breathing in 3 seconds, then breathe out should be in 5-6 seconds. If you're breathing in 4 seconds, then breathing out should be 6 to 8 seconds. You want to repeat that breathing for 10 to 15 times. Breathe in and breathe out. 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 After 10 or 15 times of breathing, relax. You're going to repeat that 3 times. Here I'm just going to show you one practice of each pranayama so that you know that what can be done if you can't do in seated position. After that, full yogic breathing. So you would bring one hand onto your chest and one hand on the abdomen. You will begin breathing in to your abdomen. Continue to breathing into your chest. And breathe out through your chest. And breathe out completely from your abdomen. So this is called full yogic breathing because we are breathing in fully. Abdomen, chest. Chest, abdomen. Breathing in abdomen. Breathing in chest. Breathing out chest. Breathing out abdomen. Now repeat the same process for 10 to 15 times. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. 10-15 times, and then rest in relaxation, in Shavasana. So guys, as I said, that this was the backup pranayama practice in the lying down position. In case if you can't practice in the seated position, then go ahead and perform the pranayama day 1 into the lying down position. I hope that was a helpful tip for you. Let me know if you have any question or difficulty. Comment below comment section and I will come back with the answer. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.